Today I'm going to walk you through exactly why you should buy Fwog Coin. Now, if you're not buying Fwog Coin, right, you're just not serious about making money. It's at $1.06 billion, right? So in order for your money to 2x, the coin would have to go to 2 billion. It might take a few months, but you have to do it. Just kidding. It's one big joke, man. Why would you put your money into a coin? If you had $1,000 to invest, right? First of all, I'm using Axiom Pro, right? Anytime you make a trade, win or lose, you get money back. You get cash back from Axiom Pro. So what's the best thing to do, right? Let's say you got $1,000 to put in, right? You're gonna wait till it gets to 2 billion. You're gonna 2x your money, right? You make $1,000, beautiful, right? But that kind of defeated the purpose of why you invested in the first place, right? What do? You go into a coin that has an insane amount of volume. That's maybe close to 1 million, right? So you have, let's say, 1 billion, right? That's 1 million, sorry. So you got 1 billion, right? 9 zeros, right? And you're gonna divide it by 1 million. Boop, right? That's 1,000 times. Would you rather 1,000 extra money on a potential coin that could hit 1 billion? Most likely not, to be realistic, right? It's one in who knows how many millions of coins that come out at 65,000 coins a day, right? Or do you want 1,000 extra money, right? Let's be realistic and say you want to buy a coin that goes to 1 million and hopefully it goes to 10 million, you can 10x your money, right? Let's go in to a coin that launched an hour ago, X-Man, right? Look, this coin's sitting at $2 million, right? What you do is put a little vertical line on where you'd buy. Paper trade before you put in, right? Do this on like 15, 20 coins. Come on Axiom Pro, hit the add to watch list button over here, right? And then you go to your watch list, boom, and it's there, X-Man. Come back in a few hours and be like, damn, if I bought here, this is where the coin would be. If it goes to 1 million, right, and you did put 1,000 in, well, you'd have to put a stop loss of like at least 15 to 20%, right? So that way, if you step away for a few hours, the coin is gonna sell itself, and you're depleting your ability to lose everything, right? It's better to lose 20%, but also the upside is if it goes to 10 million, you just 5 extra money, right? So you could put a take profit, or you could just let it ride to 1 billion if it does even have the chance of going to 1 billion. Most likely not. It launched an hour ago. There's not enough volume in the market to see. But go into very, very high volume coins. You want to see a net positive volume all the way here on the top right, right? Make sure you use my code ROCO BSD. ROCO BSD. Link in the description. I get money back. You save on fees. You refer people. You get money. You know, best place, right? There's a Twitter tracker. There's a wallet tracker. Everything. By the way, a lot of people like copy trading. You know, you want to make money the easy way. You want to get lucky. If you're getting lucky, you're not learning anything, right? Right? Put money in, make mistakes. Don't be depressed. Don't be upset if you lose. It's part of the game. Think about it as tuition fees, right? But get into coins that have a probability of you know, few Xing their money, right? So go into Pulse, or actually go to Discover, right? Look for a coin in the last 5 minutes that has, let's say, let's go to an hour, right? Look for a coin that maybe has 5-10%. All right, this is up 16% in the last 4 days. It's at $23.1 million, right? All right, so let's give the example of $1 billion. 9 zeros, boom, divided by $23 million, right? You can 43x your money if it goes to 1 billion. Forget the 43x. You're most likely to double your 2x your money on this from going to 23.1 to 26.2 million. And then a coin like Buttcoin, Fartcoin, all these shit coins, right? God bless them, they're awesome coins, right? But for a coin to go from 1 billion to 2 billion, you're gonna 2x your money now. Look into these coins that have been around a lot less and have the ability to go up a lot more, right? So yeah, I'm gonna make a lot more videos from everything that I've learned, you know. I really want you to be successful. I make mistakes every day, but I learn from them, and I hope you do too. And I forgot to tell you,